If we want to get really good at controlling color and getting predictable color results more consistently, then we're probably going to need to learn more about the thing that we're trying to control color, right? And the canvas we work on and the tubes of color that we choose to use, our color line. Now, most of us, when we go to school, we're going to learn the very flat, basic color wheel. And that's okay. That's normal. That's like entry level education. You're supposed to learn entry level education. The challenge comes in when you don't go beyond that. If you are still working with a flat wheel, but you didn't learn a 3D color space, you're going to run into problems. And I'm going to tell you why. When you are mixing color and formulating your color, you are not just working with a flat wheel, you're working with this whole 3D space, whether you knew it or not. So, when you learn more about the 3D space, you're going to learn more how to control that color that you're working with. So, if let's say you're mixing a color that lives at a level 8 has its own color wheel up here. And you mix it with something that lives at a level 6 is over here. So you are literally mixing like this. You are not mixing across the wheel. So there's so many nuances and so many cool things to learn about color, that maybe you haven't learned before and you're trying to wing it or trying to control it based on a chart or things you memorized. Even things like if you want to neutralize, they say go straight across the wheel. But did you know that when you go across the wheel, you don't have to it's not a on and off switch. You're going to neutralize or you're not going to neutralize. It's more like a dimmer switch. You actually can control how much or how little you move a color all across and through that color space based on the way you mix things. You literally can control it. And so if you don't learn about color, you're going to lack the control that you want. So you're going to see a vision in your head of a color you want to make and you're going to struggle to create it. But the more that you learn about this, the more control you're gonna have, the more you're gonna be actually gonna be able to create what you see in your mind.